Good morning. We're about to make coffee and get our day started.
Happy Saturday.
It's nice weather out today. Chill day.
Yeah, we don't know the plan for today yet, but we just wanted to say good morning.
Yeah.
Also, today is the 20th of November. I just sneezed, so sorry. Today is the 20th of November and it's a really important sentimental day for Bree, so I think I might go get some flowers and maybe like a card or something, and when she gets back we'll probably make like a brunch or something. But yes, look at this Mr. Relly. Here's the outfit. Humps the hand necklace from Bree that I think she got it for me for Christmas. And then the same Brian Anthony necklace that we have matching ones. This like Sherpa-y thing is from Forever 21. White tank top is from Brandy. These are, these are Lululemon Aligns. Love these. My sister got me these. And the Reeboks that we got from the thrift store. I got these purple roses because purple is very significant, and I hope that she really likes them. Guys, we've been like so obsessed with making breakfast sandwiches. We have like an English muffin. We put Dijon on it. Egg whites, Violife, that's vegan cheddar cheese. These are Trader Joe's meatless breakfast sausages and Trader Joe's hash browns with onions. And it's literally so good. Two, I think is good.
Select from list.
Cutie. Alright, so we just got back from Whole Foods. We've got brownie mix. We needed some more almond milk, so we grabbed some more while we were out. We're going to try this oat-based whipped cream. It looks really good. We're going to make the brownies and put that on top of it with some ice cream.
Yeah, like a sundae.
Yeah, like a sundae.
Like you.
Like you.
You're a sundae.
And then we've got some, we're making tacos tonight, so I've got some mushroom that we're going to put with these lentils that we have, just kind of beef it up. And then we've got some flour tortillas that we're going to fry up and make them like hard taco shells. I'm going to make some pico de gallo, so we've got the basics and some more avocado since we need to stock back up.
Want to say hi? Hi. Chef Breezy made some homemade pico. Got the chips. Yum. salon time. I check at your clock, you gotta get going.
I think that looks great. Should I keep this for a little bit? That's so bad. This is a good look. That's good.
It's like an animal in the wild. I can't keep my eyes off. I can't keep my eyes off of it.
I don't want to do it anymore.
I am a handyman again. Mr. Utility. Hi.
Good morning.
Morning. We're gonna go for a run. We've been wanting to start running together, and today's the day.
Might as well just start. Just do it.
Yeah. So, we shall see you when we return. And it was a success. Yes, thank you. We're gonna make the nachos with what we have kind of left over from the tacos Brie made last night.
We're gonna make some more pico de gallo because we ate all of it.
That is
It's so
addicting.
good.
I say that about everything we make. I'm so sorry. I'm always like in the background like, oh my god, or wow, this is good.
But like quite honestly, like not to be boastful, but we make really good food.
Yeah,
I feel like our food is like, you know,
really yummy.
Yeah, we know what we like, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, so I'm excited for the nachos tonight. Look at this.
It's crazy. So we got some more cilantro since we're gonna make pico de gallo.
Mini peps.
Some more tomato paste.
The kombucha, this is the fall flavor they have out right now. It has like chai spices in it. It's really good.
Red onion.
2 things of the tomatoes.
Okay, so we found this today at Trader Joe's. We're really excited to try it out. We Googled some reviews and people said it was really good, so we're gonna try this on our nachos tonight.
Some black garlic.
We just got some cheddar that we're gonna shred up and put on the nachos.
If you're plant-based, or even if you're not, and you wanna eat lentils and not have to like prepare them from the raw bean, these from Trader Joe's are so good. They're already prepared like in this little pouch here and you just warm them up. We make like homemade meatballs with them, any sort of like beef ground. There's so much you can do with it, like shepherd's pie.
Yeah, they're actually really good.
And they're not expensive, and these are like a staple and you get a lot, and really good source of fiber and protein.
We saw these
Oh yeah.
in our holiday set, so they looked really good. So we're gonna give them a try. They've got 4 different flavors in it.
Yeah, what kind?
It's double chocolate, peppermint, peanut butter, and vanilla ginger. So it should be pretty good.
Let's try.
That's pretty good.
We'll try the peppermint one next.
Mmm.
It's good?
It's kind of thin minty, but not.
I am really excited for our Thanksgiving on Thursday. And we'll film all of it and make like a Thanksgiving vlog. And oh, that reminds me, we're also like getting prepared for the Depop Black Friday sale. So I'm gonna try and have this vlog up before Black Friday because we have tons of clothes that we just put or took pictures of that we're gonna put up on our shop.
Yeah.
Then it's always linked in the description. And we have things that'll be like up to 50% off. So yeah, that's really exciting. Look who escaped.
Yeah.
Look who escaped again. See ya.
Yes.
Guys, I meant to give a review of the vegan cheese dip from Trader Joe's, and it was 10 out of 10, recommend. Really yummy. And I wanted to show you guys the little jewelry stand. I kind of want to cut the top of this off, but I really like it. And then I use this bowl for all my little earrings, but I think it looks really cute. And use this ice cream.
That concludes another weekend vlog.
Oh yeah. Next time we'll see you, it'll be our Thanksgiving video. So
Yeah.
if you celebrate, have a happy Thanksgiving. I love you.
I love you too.
Bye.